Secluded lake home, workshop, cabin, private runway, and more. This Northeast Indiana property auction has something for everyone. Mark your calendar for this outstanding opportunity from Metzger Property Services. These 110 acres in Steuben County will sell at auction February 22nd. A serene and secluded setting, but conveniently 6 miles west of Interstate 80, about a mile from Route 20 and 2 miles east of Angola. This outdoor haven is at 418 South 200 East. These 110 acres will be offered in 2 individual tracts and the entirety. Tract 1 surrounds Pigeon Lake, is 80 acres in size with private runway, and features a 4-bedroom, 1-story home with open concept layout plus full finished walkout basement. The home also includes cornerstone fireplace, main level laundry area, and large deck with picturesque lake views. Tract 1 also features a guest house with loft and covered porch overlooking the lake, as well as a 42 by 108 pole barn, complete with heat and air conditioning, a perfect workshop or additional storage space. Tract 2 is a 30-acre mix of cropland and recreational woods, an ideal site for dream home construction or continued agricultural investment. With a soil index of 137.9, the cropland of Tract 2 has a 3-year lease, split 70-30 shares with buyout available. Metzger auction professionals look forward to fielding questions and meeting you at the open house events for this magnificent auction. Open house dates are Thursday evening, February 8th from 5 to 6 o'clock and Saturday afternoon, February 17th from 1 to 2 o'clock. Secluded home with breathtaking lake views, workshop, cabin. This 110-acre oasis in Steuben County, Indiana will sell at auction Thursday evening, February 22nd at 6:30. Auction will be held off-site at the Commons Hall of Angola Commons Park, 501 South John Street in Angola. Online bidding will also be available through the Metzger Property Services website. To find out more, call 260-982-0238 or visit the website bidmetzger.com.